been quite a journey since we last spoke in September, hasn't it? In the last 6 months, we've completed the heavy works when it comes to restoring the inside of the lift shaft. And we've made our way progressively outwards, where we've had the Shirelmi team restoring the faience that you can see all around us, restoring the floor in the terrazzo and clean it and bring it to its natural finish. And then now, as you can see, the Lucas team are active working and restoring the fibrous ceiling here. It looks magnificent. It's not your kind of like day-to-day metal frame and plasterboard. This is traditional, how it used to be done. And you can see the old-fashioned techniques being used here in terms of the Hessian, the tie wire, and kind of how it's being brought to life behind me as we speak. Now that we've restored the stonework that you can see around us, and once we come to kind of finish the fibrous ceiling and decorate it and start to install the MEP elements to it, we're then in a position where we can start installing the main entrance door, and that can bring the area to life then in collaboration with the staircase. It's been quite complex trying to kind of go through the process of restoring the lift shaft to its former glory. We've got to kind of bring the metalwork to a clean finish. We've got to decorate it, which we've been doing through sampling methods. And then we've also got to try and restore missing glass to match the old of times gone by, which has been a challenge in itself, which the Lucas team have been really great with.